2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.